Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off warning message Windows protected your PC in Windows 11 when trying to install a specific program or application here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the start icon, please do a right click and go with settings. Simply scroll up and tap on it. Wait until you are being redirected to the settings window. And here you need to proceed to the left side of that where you can see a list of the options. Go with privacy and security. Afterwards, you would be able to see a list of the options where here you need to proceed with the very first option which is security and look for Windows security. Tap on it so that you'd be able to see all of such. Okay. So here you need to click on app and browser control under protection areas. Tap on it. And the moment you have tapped on it, you'd be able to open the Windows Security under App and Browser Control. Okay. So there, App and Browser Control it's being consist of three options. Where here you need to go with reputation-based protection settings. Tap on it. And here you'd be able to see the very first of it, which is check apps and files. So Microsoft Defender Smart Screen helps protect your device by checking for unrecognized apps and files from the web. So this is the main reason why you face an error when trying to install the application. So simply turn it off and your user account control will ask you to say yes. Simply proceed with yes so that you would be able to turn off this window. Turn off this option. And here you need to close this window. And this is the time that you will retry to install again the program that you have failed on installing such earlier. Okay, so check if your problem has been fixed this time. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.